think that's soon to be released and bound.
TCP.
I think that's soon to be released
Yeah.
and bound. That's right.
Yo. Shopping for convertibles, convert to the doctor and life's a tornado. You might catch a vertigo, I'm able. Let's not spar, cause I'ma go too far. Tamper with your car, fuck what you calling them. What you call it when a nigga die for a harlot? Yo, I can't call it, I keep my doorway clean. Watch the company you keep, niggas miserable. And losing is contagious. Duct tape on a 12 gauge, the fuck you mean? Catch me up in Harlem, coming out the seafood spot like Marlon Wayans. Baby bro made some money, found my way, didn't I? I told niggas, didn't I? I'm in that motorsport. What's the motive? Taking North Face, we holding court. It's all for the sport. Pour the Tawny Port. Rapport, the war report. Niggas piss poor. Walking around with pistols. Let's address the issue. Get with you.
Soon to be released. That's right. I think that's
all these niggas. I don't need niggas that can do this shit like I do this shit. Hey, yo. Wake up, wash my face before I say a grace. Word they gon' always book Miyagi cause he shake the stage. I redirect him to my brody cause he make the plays. Said he could pull a couple strings like homie play the bass. Save the dates and we gon' wrap up like niggas saving place. Crazy aims and now we in the game and betting major stakes. Baby only play for papes, left you with the vapes. Life short like the Caesar, ain't no plan to air the apes. But I'm still feeling great, or I'm getting there. Trying to get it 365 but niggas betting there. Love lost in East but they checking there. Heard niggas talking about wings, I'm on my second pair. And look, I tell niggas rally on strip, I might just rally the kids. Let's have a bar for bar, see just how savvy he is. 1 till November, posted up like a calendar kid. Britain ain't legalized, but still British Columbia did, nigga.
I think that's soon to be released and bound. That's right.
Yeah.
I think that's
So the luck still gon' give a nigga work like. Send a nigga back to church like.
soon to be released and bound. That's right.
Flows cold since
I
niggas
think
birth
that's
like.
soon to be released and bound.
Yeah, run the world, this
That's
shit's my
right.
birthright.